So here we are. I've now put some line thickness on it, on some of the lower sides of the rocket, and fleshed it out a bit. And then each of these little boosters I've had to shade individually. So I'm putting the darkest bit about here, and then it's fading, and a little bit of dark there. So it kind of works nicely. And then I've done the same with this main body. I've put the darkest orange here, and then if we're shading cones, they have to all go to a collective point where these two angles meet. So it's important that you remember that. And the same with this cone. So here, my shade lines are going up to a point here where these two are meeting. And I'm just giving it a little bit, and maybe a bit of general shade under there. Just give that a bit of a smudge just to darken it a bit more on here. So it's kind of a shiny white. Okay, so added a bit of colour, just darken those lines, and now I'm going to draw another one. And I've scaffolded this out already. I don't know whether you can see the rocket there, but basically that's its widest point here and here, and it's coming down to a narrow point there. So I'm going to use the curve of my hand to kind of go up like so. And to repeat that, I'm going to kind of keep that memory the same, that muscle memory, and do the same here. So I've used my hand a bit like a compass. You can see I'm turning my page around, and then it's going to curve back. I think it'll probably finish it about here. So just feeling my way around again to that point. Again, I feel happier just turning it around. So symmetry is all important. And now I'm going to put some fins on it again, and those fins, let's have a think, they're coming from here and here, and I want a point of height where they go to and a bottom point, so I'm just putting a curve in here maybe, like so, and then one here. So symmetry is so important. Again, I want that curve the same, so I'm going to use that curve of my hand again. Okay, so here's the next thing. We're going to fill this page with lots of rockets. I don't want them all as intense or as detailed as these two. These two are the main images. The rest are going to be really much fainter. So I'm going to finish this off now, and I'll show you the third and final video when this and a couple more are done.